Most people I meet, whether they run a business, work in a team, or are just trying to get things done online, always seem to hit the same wall with technology. Tools pile up, accounts multiply, settings get confusing, and suddenly something that should feel simple feels intimidating or even a bit overwhelming. Hi, I'm Carl from Sentido, and I created Sentido with one aim in mind: to make software simple for you. I'm a software engineer with multiple industry standard certifications in development, DevOps, and cloud engineering. And for those that don't live in that world, that simply means this: I've been working with software for a very long time, and I'm deeply familiar with the processes, tools, and automations we use to make software run smoothly instead of causing chaos. Over the years, I've worked with every type of client, from large international companies to modern startups to solo business owners who simply want things to be calm, reliable, and easy to understand. No matter who I worked with, the pattern was always the same. People felt held back by their tech. Apps that should help ended up creating friction, automations broke, settings didn't make sense, and the more you try to fix it, the worse it can feel. That's why I built Sentido. Sentido exists to cut through the noise, connect your system properly, and build a solution that works every day without the stress. I'll be showing you exactly how I build clearer systems, from websites and email, to data and automation, to security and building confidence with software. I'll also share the behind-the-scenes process of building Sentido itself, what works, what breaks, and how to design tools to make your life easier. I aim to deliver this with clarity, a straightforward way for you to understand your tech and finally feel in control of it. I don't want to overload you with technical jargon, and I want you to understand it in a way that makes sense to you. And no matter how it feels sometimes, technology isn't necessarily the enemy. It's simply the bridge from where we are to where we want to be. And when we start to make sense of that path, everything becomes clearer. That's what Sentido means: sense. Making sense of software, making sense of the systems behind our business or daily lives, making sense of the next step forward. So if you've ever felt confused, overwhelmed, or held back by technology, feel free to subscribe, comment about your frustrations, or follow along. And together we're going to make software simple.